Starters, an impact day for tomorrow, that's Saturday, due to the threat for some scattered showers and the occasional thunderstorm. And remember, impact day just means that there's a higher chance the weather will impact your normal routine, and this could impact your outdoor plans tomorrow too. So be on guard for that. Sunday into Monday, we have some alert days declared, and that's because we could see some severe thunderstorms coming in late Sunday night through the early morning hours on Monday. I'll time that out in just a second. But let's start with Saturday. Here's the rain now over Arkansas and the Gulf. This is 8 a.m. Saturday morning, but by the time we get to 11 a.m., a lot of this is starting to enter West Alabama, Pickens County, Lamar counties, Sumter counties, that's you guys too. And then all of this is going to shift eastward through the day. This is 4 p.m. We're starting to see some showers in East Alabama. And with the heat of the day, it's not going to be as warm as what it was today. We could see some thunderstorms develop in West Alabama and weaken as they move east. This is 7 p.m. At this point, most of the rain is farther north, and by 11 p.m., most spots will be dry. But we could see the occasional shower or sprinkle overnight into early Monday morning too. But the key takeaway here is if you have some outdoor plans, the rain begins afternoon, so try to do it in the morning. That's for West Alabama. For East Alabama, the rain begins around 4 p.m. So you might be able to do some things around noon to 3 p.m. for East Alabama, but by 4, we'll start to see some scattered showers in the picture. Here's the severe weather outlook for Sunday night into Monday morning. We have an alert day declared for that day, and that means the weather could be life-threatening or dangerous at times. The Storm Prediction Center has outlined a level 2 for most of central Alabama and a level 3 of 5 on the scale for extreme northwest Alabama. Lamar, Marion, and Winston counties, that's you guys. And I want you to remember that this is talking about the likelihood of seeing severe weather. So the likelihood of severe weather is higher in northwest Alabama than the rest of central Alabama. But that likelihood, that level 3 enhanced risk, is for also parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, throughout the Ohio Valley. And then tomorrow, this is the second outlook, and you can see there's another level 2 risk for the rest of Alabama. The reason this is separated like this is because this system is going to move in overnight. Therefore, it requires 2 outlooks, one for Sunday night and one for Monday morning. What's all on the table? A low-end tornado threat will be possible through Sunday night into Monday morning. Large hail will be possible, damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, and a medium risk for flooding too. Again, that's all on the table. So let's look at the coverage. This is midnight Monday, starting to see some showers in North Alabama, some storms out in Mississippi, entering the western Alabama border. And this is 5 a.m. And this is where we have to watch out for these waves of thunderstorms like this one here across East Alabama. This is where we could see some damaging wind gusts and some hail, even the low-end tornado threat. These are the systems that we are watching. This is 5 a.m. Monday, and this is 6 a.m. slowly moving. The first one is out of here. The second one is still coming in, moving through the Birmingham metro. And then most of this moves southward through 8 a.m. and out of here by noon on Monday. Here's a look at the timeline. 12 a.m. to say 6 a.m. for northwest Alabama, Lamar, Fayette, Walker, Winston counties. 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. for parts of Etowah, Blount, Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, Greene, and Hill counties. And then 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. for Clay, Coosa, Talladega, and Tallapoosa counties too. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures tomorrow are only going to climb to the upper 70s due to all that cloud cover. And then those alert days come into play Sunday into Monday. We get a break from the rain on Tuesday, but more storms return Wednesday through Friday of next week.